I'm Pablo Giraldo, Construction Tech Manager for the Wallace Group. We're out here at the Big Creek Water Reclamation Facility. Welcome to the site visit. The Big Creek Water Reclamation Facility project is the largest project in Fulton County's history. We're currently expanding the existing plant from 24 MGDs to 32 MGDs, with an additional capacity to expand to 38 MGDs on future projects. We're towards the tail end of the project, so all the concrete is completed, and now all the major mechanical piping, mechanical work is currently going in place. So on this project, we're using drones to map the job site. At the beginning of the project, we were mapping this job site weekly because we were doing a lot of excavation. That was phase one of the project. The main thing is we do it for earthwork quantities and also to track what's been happening on the job site month to month. So we're able to go back and see what we did either 3 months ago or a year ago. At the beginning of the project, we had multiple stockpiles throughout the project, and we needed to know how much excavation we had done and how much excavation we'd have remaining just for scheduling purposes. So this is a perfect example of our ground 360s. Once we closed this build in, we were not able to fly the drone in here anymore. So we started relying on the ground 360s, doing captures on a weekly basis to track the work that has been put in place. And not just to track it, but also have a record on when it was installed. So kind of like what I like to say is go back in time, right? If someone asks me like, hey, do we have an idea on when this specific equipment was installed? And I'll tell them, yeah, sure, because just give me a second, let's go back in time. All right, so thanks for sticking around at the Big Creek project. Hope you learned something new about reality capturing, how we do things here on this job, and then hopefully you can take some of this information and apply it at one of your projects.